Triumph TF-250 oil change. So down here in the bottom, you're gonna have two drain plugs. One of them's gonna have the crush washer, and the other one's gonna have the screen filter right here. And take both of those out. Shitload of O-rings, one for each end of the screens that goes in the bottom. Also one for each end of this. I'm gonna clean that off with some carb cleaner. Blow it out. That goes, oh shit, that goes there. Oil filter is behind this. That's this cartridge style oil filter. And then you need one of these. You actually don't need all of it. There's a little bit left over.